Look at this line.
This is a zigzag line. These are zigzag lines. It goes up and down, up and down.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn a new pattern. See this line? It is not straight. It goes up and down, up and down. This is called a zigzag line. Look carefully and enjoy the zigzag line. Some objects look like zigzag lines. Mountains look like zigzag lines. A crown has zigzag lines. A saw teeth has sharp zigzag edges. The star is made of zigzag lines. Zigzag lines help us in drawing. Good children!
Hello, children. My name is Tommy Triangle. I have 3 sides. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Yay! I am a triangle.
Welcome back, children. Today I want to show you a new shape. This shape is called a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. We can see triangles in many places around us. The roof of a house looks like a triangle. A pizza slice is a triangle. Some road signs are also triangles. So, triangles are shapes we use in our everyday life. Well done, students.
Hello, children. I am a mother. I love my child very much.
Hello, friends. This is my mother. She loves me a lot. My mother is very dear to me.
Welcome back, children. Today, we are going to talk about a very special person. This is a mother. A mother loves her child very much. She takes care of her child every day. She helps, teaches, and protects her child. My mother is very dear to me. We should always love and respect our mother. Who cooks healthy food for us? Our mother cooks healthy food for us every day. Nice, students.
Hello, children. I am Father. I love my family very much.
Welcome back, children. Today, we are going to talk about a very special person. A father is very special in our life. He works hard every day to take care of the family. He helps us, guides us, and protects us. A father is like our best friend. He teaches us good habits and good manners. We should listen to our father and respect him. We must love our father and say thank you. Well done, student. Who works hard for us every day? Yes, students, our father works hard for us every day.
Hello, children. I am the letter H. I have many friends on this page. All their names start with H.
Hello, children. I am a hen. I give eggs to you every day.
Hello, children. I am a hat. I keep your head safe from the sun. Hello, kids. I am a horse. I can run very fast. Hello, children. I am a hammer. I help to fix and build things.
Welcome back, children. Today, we are going to talk about a letter H. Children, this is a hen. A hen gives us eggs. Hen begins with letter H. This is a hat. A hat keeps our head safe. Hat starts with the letter H. This is a horse. A horse helps us carry loads. Horse starts with the letter H. This is a hammer. A hammer helps us fix things. Hammer starts with the letter H. Children, hen, hat, hammer, and horse, all these words start with the letter H.
Johnny, Johnny.
Yes, Papa.
Eating sugar.
No, Papa.
Telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth. Johnny, Johnny.
Yes, Papa.
Eating sugar.
No, Papa.
Telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Johnny, Johnny.
Yes, Papa.
Hello, children. Hello, children. Do you see me bending to the right?
Yes, yes. I am a right curve. I am smooth and curvy.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn something new. Look at this shape. this is a right curve. See how it bends to the right side. It is smooth and round. There are no corners. We use right curves in many things around us. The moon looks like a right curve. A banana looks like a right curve. Some letters and drawings have right curves too. Very good, children.
Hello, I am your brother. I love to play and help my family. Hi, I am your sister. I care for you and share my toys. We are brothers, sisters, and cousins. We grow up together. We share, we help, and we love each other.
Welcome back, children. Look at this picture of a brother and a sister. Brothers, sisters, and cousins are our family. They are very special to us. We play together. We grow up together. We share our toys and help each other. Who watches TV with you at home? Yes, brother and sister watch TV with you. Children, family teaches us good things. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am the letter F. I have many friends on this page. All their names start with F.
Hello, children. I am a fox. I run fast in the forest.
Hello, children. I am a fan. I give you cool air.
Hello, children. I am a fish. I live in water. Hello, children. I am fire. I give heat and light.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to talk about letter F. Children, this is a fox. A fox runs fast in the forest. Fox starts with the letter F. This is a fan. A fan gives us cool air. Fan starts with the letter F. This is a fish. A fish lives in water. Fish starts with the letter F. This is fire. Fire is hot. Fire starts with the letter F. Fox, fan, fish, fire all start with the letter F. Very good, children. See you all.
Hello, friends. One day I went to a farm. I heard two horses talking happily. Let's count. 1, 2. Yay, there are two horses.
Welcome back, children. Today we will count the horses. Children, can you see the horses? Let us count them together. 1, 2. Yes, there are two horses. Very good, students. When we see two things, we call it number 2. Today we learned number 2.
Hello, children. I am grandfather. I love my family.
Hello, children. I am grandmother. I love my grandchildren.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about grandparents. This is our grandfather and this is our grandmother. Grandparents are very caring and loving. They play with us and tell us wonderful stories. They guide us and bless us every day. We must respect, love, and help our grandparents.